y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from Yolissa. This is my first time working with this company, so yeah, stay tuned. See how I turned that wig, this wig, into what y'all seen in the beginning of the video. So this is the inside of the wig. I am debating on if I want to have a wig cap because y'all, I'm sorry. This isn't going to be the channel that you see me ever do a bald cap because I'm just not y'all. So I was deciding if I wanted to have a cap on my head or just having a cap off my head, because you see how much that clashed with the actual lace and the actual hair. So I did still keep that cap on. I just kind of pushed it back, because I wanted to keep my braids still intact inside of a wig cap. But yeah. So right now I am already looking like I'm finna do a side part with this unit. So that is what I am doing. I am smoothing the top part of this hair. I really didn't want to put too much product in, but she needs to get flat. Now, as far as that shedding, baby, she is going to shed. I don't know if it's because she is a blonde unit, but she did shed a lot, y'all. So forewarning. So boom, this is where I messed up, right? Yeah, I put a lot of product on this lace, so the blonde ended up looking like she was brown in the front. I would personally use like a beauty blender and then kind of pat pat the lace down versus spraying a blonde unit, because as y'all can see, it definitely changed the color of that hairline and it just made it look so crazy. So crazy. Y'all, when I tell y'all I was looking at this wig and was contemplating about giving up, I really wanted to give up. But to kind of take some of that tint off, you could obviously use like some type of alcohol or anything of that sort. Obviously, it didn't all come off, but it looked way better at the end. So this is me just adding a little bit of layers in the front. I am not a professional, y'all. Y'all have probably seen so many different combinations of scissors on my channel. So yeah. So this is me the next morning. I decided to go to sleep because baby, I was tired and I was like, let me just start this over again tomorrow. As y'all can see, she is laying flat. So I went for the Instagram baddie Baby hairs, I have not did baby hairs in so long, y'all. I really, baby hairs on this channel, she's cute, but I don't usually do it like I used to. So I was looking at a couple of like baby hair videos of what the girls are doing now, and baby, it's a lot. This hair was extremely soft, so I really do love how this hair was. She did not tangle, but she did shed, y'all. Now, what I will say about her and her curling abilities and how long curls lasted, they did not last. You put product in it, of course, it will last. And if you kind of wrap it up overnight, that type thing. But you just curling your hair and you think you finna leave out the house and your hair still finna be curled like that? Yeah, no. Overall, I really love this color wig at the end. Once I put my makeup on and my clothes on and actually seeing what she was given. And if this is the quality that they are giving at Yolissa, y'all, you should definitely go try them out. Again, I'll probably get like more of a neutral color. Um, Blonde was cute for a couple of, the blonde was definitely giving Barbie, but you know how I am, y'all. This hair is definitely for my Instagram baddies, my girls that love color, my girls that love a blonde unit. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank Yolissa Hair for sending me this unit. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.